Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add two large integers. We know that we can't add a big number because integer that type can't store limit amount of number. So is there any way to add a huge number? Um yes there is. We can store a huge number but we can store string, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can take input this string as much as we want. And what I'm going to do, uh, I'm going to input large number as a string and then going to convert one by one digit into number. So like uh, I take 1, 3, 5, 6. It's a string, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to convert 6 into integer 6, 5 into integer 5, 3 into integer 3, and 1 into integer 1. So how we can do that? We know that 0 have an ASIC value 48 ASIC. So if we subtract something from 0, we'll get back actually same number. We need a new array to store this digit in a sequence, so we will convert them one by one, going to store them in an integer type array like 1, 2, 3, 4. What is a string? I'm going to 4 minus sorry 4 is a string minus 48 equal 4. This 4 means 0 because 0 have an ASCII value 48, so it's a string, we get integer. This how we can do this stuff. And there is three conditions. One is if the first one big and if the second one big and both are same. So there is three condition. First, if the first number is big and if the second number is big, and another one if both are equal. Good thing is that all are same but there is little different. uh, if we do one thing we can just do copy and paste. Let me show you uh, how to do this. Okay, I will help you to more understand. I will give you the link of my code so that you can modify this or you can understand it better. Why?
Okay, next. insert this number 100. So I don't know how much variable I will need. So if I need more, so I will input more. So when I'm using len to store the length of the string because I don't know how long they are. Must remember we need string dot a header file. Okay. So I'm going to input two string like 1, 2, 3, 4, but anything you want. Now I have to calculate the length of these two strings. That's why I'm using string.h header file, because if I don't use this header file, I can't use string length function. So I'm going to use uh, str length function. One, one, two, number two. Here we go. So now we can know the length of these two strings. Uh, the next step is we have to convert this string into numbers. So we will use a while loop or for loop. I will like to use while. So while num is a not equal to 0. So now let's declare I is program. So we have to take another, let's say 1a, sorry, b, yes, a on equals 1 I minus point. Okay, done, right? So I did this for num1 So same thing I have to do for num2. So actually I will just copy and paste. I think do b and do num2 and 2 done and do 1 0 and this from here to complete 0. So I just completed uh, the first step. There is more thing to do. I'm just completed to convert the string into numbers. And I use null is the ASCII first alphabet, I mean first character, null. So every string ends in null. Now uh, the first condition, there is three conditions. If the first number is big, if the second number is big, or both is equal. So I'm going to do for the first one. So the first string length uh, len 1. So len 1, len 2, len 1 equal len 1 minus 2. We know that array start with 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the string length, if the string length is 5, that means I have to start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, not the 5. That's why I'm minus 1, because every array start in 0. I will len 2, because len 2 is I need a sum. I did a mistake here. No, it's okay. Missed a line. Little more things. So we did the first thing for past condition. Uh, let's test this. Is work or not? I'm going to test this thing. One, two, three, one, two. I'm sorry. I'm just didn't print the output. Just don't print the output. For I for RS, I less than uh, than for you. Print two, three, two. Okay, there is something wrong. So I think it's the problem of this compiler. Let let me try this in CodeBox. I will try this in CodeBox. So so I type it in CodeBox. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1. So it's working. Let's try do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's working. Let's complete the code. So there is no problem. Actually, the problem is that ideally, I'll do this in code box. What I will do, I will do just copy this thing and then paste. Two, one, everything okay. One, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there is some problem. I found the problem. The problem is here I don't assign the value 0 into carry. So the garbage value creating problem. So everything is okay. Uh, to one, one. So if we can see it's okay. For now, third condition, if the both number are equal, we just copy. Uh, uh, we don't need this one. Oh, okay. This part was missing, and
So now everything is okay. The last part, if the both number length is equal, then we just have to do this thing. We don't need this thing because both are equal. Let's try this. you can see it's working. I will give you the link of Discord. So have a good day. Thank you.